Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I am super excited because I have a package that I'm going to open for you. This is through the group YouTube Collaborators, and I had a secret person send me a package, and I'm going to open it, and I'm hoping that there's going to be craft supplies in it, and if so, I'm going to challenge myself to make something with what's in this box.
All right, all I know is that this is from someone in New York, and let's see what we have. Air. Oh, everything is wrapped. Okay, there's a card. Let's see. Happy Valentine's Day. Aw, it's from the Homeschooling Grammy, so we'll have to make sure we check out her channel, and I will put a link below. And let's see what we have. This feels heavy. Let's see. Well wrapped. And vanilla bean sugarcane candle. Oh, that smells really nice. Okay. That's heavy too. Well, I guess I can make some chocolate chip cookies. Awesome. I love cookies. Let's see what else we got. We got some markers. Very nice. Very nice. And ooh, a little notebook. So I could draw or write on this notebook. Very nice, very nice. Thank you very much, Homeschooling Grammy. All right, so I looked in these multi-surface markers, oodles and doodles. They are permanent on porous surfaces like paper and fabric, and they also work on whiteboards and blackboards. So I decided to try to make my own. So I picked up this frame from the DollarTree, and I am just going to take that out and put in a sheet of black cardstock, put my frame back together, and I have created here a little blackboard. So let's see how these markers work. That's the pinkish red one. Let's see. There's the yellow. The white's not quite as bright as I would have hoped. But this can make some cute messages, have a cute little message board. And again, I want to thank Kim, the Homeschooling Grammy, and I also want to thank Ingrid from Mommy Mia Homeschool Chronicles for putting together this collab. Please check out all the videos in the collab, see what everybody got from their secret channels as gifts, and support those channels. Okay, I had to come back and let you know that once this dried, it is actually showing up really good. It's just when it was still a little wet that it wasn't showing up. So I am actually very excited and happy about these markers, and I think this is going to be a fun message board. Thank you again so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a great day crafting away.